How to fix TikTok following problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix the following problem on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's say you have the TikTok application here. You've been trying to follow a certain amount of people in this case, so you just go to a certain person's profile, you tap the follow option, but you're not being able to follow that person. Now that is because there are many reasons as to why this happens. The other is you might have already reached your follow limit. So at a maximum, TikTok will allow you to follow up to 10,000 accounts. So if you've already crossed the 10,000 accounts following, you will not be able to follow more people than that. The only thing you can do is you can filter out the following and unfollow a few people over here that you no longer care about. And then after that only, you can come back and then follow other accounts if you'd like. The other reason is, even if you haven't reached a 10k amount of people in the following, it could be that you've already followed a number of accounts for today. So TikTok will limit your following if you've already followed a handful of couple of people today, which could be 500 people, 100 people, or 1000 people. So TikTok will not let you do that. You have to put a gap in a following problem, because TikTok also has this bot-like behavior. If they notice a bot-like behavior from your account, then they will not let you follow more accounts unless it's been a couple of days or a couple of weeks. So these are the two things you want to understand, because this is not the issue with the TikTok app or anything. It's the issue with your own account. Either you've been following a number of accounts, either your account is restricted due to some reason, maybe they notice some kind of spammy behavior. Just come to your profile page and then you'll actually find the activities that TikTok is showing to you, which could be a content issue or anything. That is when TikTok is going to limit some features for you, and you might just want to wait like maybe 1 or 2 hours or a couple of days at the maximum to see if this helps you solve the problem. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.